Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, you will learn a new law of indices, logarithm, which is called change of base of logarithm. So the name of this law is change or simple change base law as well. This is called change of base of logarithms. You sometimes need to change the base of logarithm. So a logarithm in base A can be written with a different base B using the change of base rule. For example, you can express this log BA equals to log CA over log CB. Means if you want to change this base B into a new base C, then what you need to do? You write this as log CA and then log CB. So this is how you can express logarithm in form of other base. Or there is one more rule, way of expressing this change base law. It states that you can write log BA equals to 1 over log AB. So these two are called change of base of logarithms. So sometimes we use this law expression and sometimes you use this according to the given situation. Now in today's video, you will learn to apply this change base law to solve questions. For example, it is given that u is equals to log 4x. Find in its simplest form in terms of u. Log x4. Now, when you read this question, you observe that it is given that log 4x is u. And here the base of log is x. So you can express like this. You can write this is equals to 1 over log, by using change base law, you can write 1 over log 4x. And what is value of 1 over log 4x? It is equals to u. So you can write the answer is 1 over u. Similarly, if B part of same question is log x16. Now, first step is, again, the base is different. So you need a base 4 here. And you see here that you can change this 16. You can express this 4 square. So here you will write log x 4 square. And according to power formula, you can write it as log x 4. And now you can change base, apply change base law, and you can write 2 log 4x. So this is equals to 2 by u. This is how you can apply change base law. One more example. You have to express log x2. So again, we focus on the given expression. It is given that the base is 4 here. So you need to express this 2 in terms of 4. So you can write 2 is basically square root of 4. And square root of 4 means 4 raised to the power 1 by 2. Now you see index is 1 by 2. We first apply power law. So this becomes 1 by 2 times of log x 4. Now you apply change base law and you can write 1 by 2. We take its reciprocal and can write here log 4x. And then you can write it as the final answer is 1 by 2 times of one more question. B part we have B part is log x8. And it is given that log 4x is this. So you cannot express 8 as power of 2. You can express 8 as power of 2, like you can write log x 2 cube. So you can write it as 3 log x 2. Now again, you need basically 4 over here. So one more step you need to do. And you can write square root of 4, which is 1 by 2. Then you again apply power formula. And write here, this is equals to 3 by 2, because 3 times 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. And you take the reciprocal of this part, and you can write log 4x. So this is the 3 by 2 u. And we have another way of solving same question as well. So let me show you that way of also. So for example, same question. B part is log x 8. So here you can write 4 times 2, right? 4 times 2 means you apply laws of logarithm. There is a multiplication sign between these two numbers. So when you apply laws of logarithm, you can write it as log x4 plus log with base x2. And now you can change it. Here you can write it as log x4 plus you can express 2 in terms of 4 and can write log base x and square root of 4, which means 4 raised to the power 1 by 2. So, and you apply here power law and can write 1 by 2 times of log x4. Now they both are same. So you when add them, 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 times of log x4. Further, you take its reciprocal and can write it 3 by 2 times of log change base law. X4 becomes 4x and 4x is equals to 3 by 2 times of u. So you can use any one of the way to solve the same question and you are going to get the same answer here. In further questions, you also apply these. For example, you are given a question, solve log 3x is equals to log 9 x plus 6. So you need to make the basis same. Otherwise, you cannot apply laws of addition or multiplication or division here. Huh? So how can you make the basis same? You can write here log 3x is equals to, we apply, we change 9 into base 3. So let me highlight this. We are changing this 9 into 3. So you will write here log 3 x plus 6 over log 3 9. Now you see the base is same throughout the question. Now we apply further laws of indices here. You can write here log 3x is equals to log 3x plus 6 log 3 square. 9 is equals to 3 square. And then you can write, you apply here power formula to the rest of the question as it is. Log 3 x plus 6, and this power becomes coefficient, and you can write it as 2 log 3 3. And you also know that this log 3 3 is 1, and 2 multiplied by 1 is 1. So you can write log 3x and cross multiply this 2 is equals to log 3 x plus 6, because this whole expression becomes 1. This whole expression is 1, and we cross multiply this. Then you can give this power, raised to the power, this you can write. So you can write here log 3 x squared, and we take this on the other side, is 0. Now you see that the bases are same here. So you can apply division law to express into a single logarithm. And how can you write? You can write log 3 x squared over x plus 6 is 0. Now to remove this logarithm, we apply chain, then you can write it as x squared over x plus 6 is equals to 3 raised to the power 0, which is, you are expressing your question into exponential form now, and 3 raised to the power 0 is 1. You are expressing this in exponential form. So x squared is 1 into x plus 6 is x plus 6. Now you are getting a quadratic equation, and you know how to solve a quadratic equation. We make factors, and this is how you find values of x. Now you are getting two values of x. to get the right answer, you have to substitute this value of 3 in the given equation over here, and then check both sides of the equation. When you substitute 3, log 3, 3 is 1, 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 is 1. So it means that the 3 is the correct answer. So when you substitute here the second value, which is -2, so as the logarithm of negative number is not defined, so x equals to -2 is not a solution of the original equation. Hence the solution is, so this -2 is not a solution. Hence this is your final answer. So this is how you can apply change of base of logarithms to solve questions when bases are not same.